Hey, what's up, guys? So, for today's vlog, we are putting LEDs under the truck. So, underbody LEDs, underglow. I got the Aura Dreamcolor underbody lighting kit here. Got it from Amazon. So, let's open it up and see what's inside. Here's the whole kit. Comes with a remote, some mounting bracket. They're made out of metal, and more mounting brackets. I'm probably gonna replace these screws with stainless steel so they don't rust. And then you got your wire hook to hook it up to the battery, zip ties, and then your control module to control all the lighting effects and stuff. I don't know, some card, and then here are the LEDs itself. You got one. This one is for the truck, guys. They have one for the car also. So you got two long ones with I think they are 48-inch, and two small ones for there, and they are 36-inch. The two small one goes in the back and the front, and then the long ones they go on the sides. And it's pretty much plug and play. You can't go wrong. You can't mess it up. Yeah, guys, that's the LED kit for the truck. Let me get change and start working on it. Alright, guys, so as you can see, this LED cost me $150 from on Amazon, and I picked this one because it's a high quality one. And there are some out there that are like cheap if you get them, and I picked these ones because the LEDs are inside an aluminum, and they're not like double-sided tape stick on like other ones that are out there in the market. Because eventually the double-sided tape one, eventually the stickiness will lose its stickiness and just fall out under the car and stuff. And these one are, you screw them on there on the car so they won't fall off. And then they also come with mounting brackets with zip ties. I don't know why they got plastic ones and then they got metal ones, so I'll probably go with the metal ones. But yeah, and you could tell, see how thick the wire is. I recently installed the underbody LED lights on my friend's car. She got the cheap one. She got it was like $60 from Amazon, and the wires on it were thin. They were like this thin right here, not thick like this. And then she's already having like problems with it. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. Waterproof, dustproof, snowproof, all kinds of weatherproof, guys. Okay, guys, so I just got back from the store, Ace hardware store, to get some new bolts. Like, these are the silver ones are the stock bolts that came with the kit. So I went and got some stainless steel ones so they don't rust. Yeah, because these are gonna rust, I know for sure. Hey guys, so I got this whole setup. I got it mocked up the way I'm gonna hook it up to the truck. You got the front one piece right here, and then the two long ones on the sides, and the last small piece in the back. And then when you guys buy this, make sure when you're installing it, pay attention to the arrows. See, this is the front one because it's got two arrows pointing in two opposite directions, left and right. So that way when you have one of the modes, chase mode, it would chase the lights in the right direction and not some messed up direction. Let me close the garage, guys, so you can see how it looks at nighttime. Alright, so let's turn it on. Check it out, guys. See, that's why it's got the arrows. So it's following in the right direction. And then there's different modes. You could change the speed, like slow. See? You could either go really slow or really fast. And then you can change the brightness. Ooh, that's cool. I like the other one. Yeah, that one. Whoa. That's badass. It looks way a lot better in person, guys. And then you got auto mode. I think that's auto mode, yeah. You got on and off. But yeah, guys, there's other modes and stuff and color. It's got 16 million different color to choose from, guys. It's a lot. Let me open the garage back up and get ready to install it under the truck, guys. Alright, guys, so I finally got the LEDs underglow installed in on the truck. I got the two sides, in the front and the back. It took me a while because on my truck there's absolutely no place to hook the front and the back underglow, so I had to be creative and come up with a solution and do some stuff and make some stuff. But that's besides the point, guys. The point is I got the underglow installed under the truck. Now we just gotta wait for nighttime to come, because it'll be a lot better to see the LED glows. It's too bright outside right now. It's still daylight. You can see it's bright outside, guys, so you won't really see the LEDs light up until nighttime, where it's dark. So it's nighttime. It's pretty dark outside. Hang on, let me turn up the garage light. Stupid thing came on for no reason. There we go. Let's see. Let's turn on these knee underglow. I'm not sure why they're strobing like that. What the fuck? Oh, I got them in the stupid mode. Yeah, so hang on, you guys. Let me put these on. Let's see, mode. There we go. Auto. There we go, that's better. Yeah, so got them on there, guys. Looks pretty dope. Looks cool at nighttime, of course. Yeah, it was easy to hook up the sides, except for the front and the back was hard. But yeah, guys, so there you have it. I was able to put them on there. So, dang it, stupid lights. Let me get a video, guys, of me going down the road. Yeah, so there you guys have it. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, guys, for more video. Peace out.